Hello everyone, my name is JJ. A very warm welcome to all of you who are watching this special online event. We are here today at the Realme headquarters to make a special announcement on an exciting collaboration, which will have a profound impact on our future products. But first, I would like to give you guys some updates on how Realme is doing. Realme is a young, energetic tech brand that focuses on blending technology and fashion to make stylish tech products for the digital natives. With that philosophy in mind, we entered into our first markets back in 2018 with the iconic Realme One. And since then, we saw a rapid growth in the Realme community all over the globe. Today, we have Realme fans in every part of the world, including India, Thailand, Russia, Egypt, and Spain. In fact, as of Q1 2021, we now have over 70 million Realme users worldwide, making us one of the fastest growing smartphone brands in the world with a 65% year-on-year growth as of 2020. This is an extraordinary result, yet humbling for a young tech brand like Realme. We would like to take this opportunity to thank our Realme fans for the unwavering support over the past 3 years. We wouldn't be able to achieve such results without you guys. So, many of you might ask, what's the secret to our success? Well, it is all about making innovative, high-quality products for the digital natives and our Realme fans. We believe high-quality products starts from great design thinking. Today, I would like to share with you on just how we think, design, and manufacture a product. Many of you would think that Realme smartphones are designed around stylish aesthetic and cutting-edge technology. Well, that's half correct. In fact, we design product with quality first in mind. As the first principle to our product design thinking, if you will, we follow strictly to this set of principles and criteria when designing any Realme product. In short, all Realme products will need to have a trend-setting design powered by leap-forward technology and produce them through a rigorous quality control. Today, I would like to spend some time to share with you just how Realme smartphones are designed, developed, and tested in our factory. This is the Realme 6-stage smartphone design process. It starts with product definition, design, all the way to product testing. The quality control team will be involved to check on the product quality at every stage. At any one point, if the product fails to meet our quality standard, the quality control team have a veto right to reject the product. The rejected product will get redesigned from scratch. While that serves as a good benchmark for creating high-quality product, we want to bring our quality standard to the next level by understanding exactly how digital natives use our smartphones. That way, we can produce high-quality product that fits into digital natives' lifestyles. To do that, we have been reaching out to our customers and fans to conduct product experience survey during the mid-product life cycle. Over the past few years, we have collected over 10,000 surveys. These surveys have enabled us to understand our customers and fans better. Thanks to the insights, we are able to identify 2 specific behaviors. We have learned most of our digital natives loves to travel and do outdoor sports, and they also want a stylish smartphone aesthetic that can fit seamlessly into their lifestyles. Based on those behaviors and needs, we have done vigorous testings in related environmental settings. For example, in order for our product to withstand accident drop when doing activities like skateboarding, we make sure our products go through a more aggressive drop test at a height up to 1.8 meters for multiple sites on different surface materials. When traveling, we're often faced with different weather conditions. This is why we also simulate extreme temperature from -40 degrees Celsius to 75 degrees Celsius in an outdoor environmental setting to make sure all Realme products are able to stay alive, so to speak, even after going through such tough environmental conditions. Realme fans love our products for the stylish aesthetic, but having a pretty aesthetic is of no use if the smartphone is covered with a case. This is why all Realme products go through a series of scuff and abrasion tests with different materials such as denim, sandpaper, and even stone to make sure the longevity of the aesthetic. What I've just shared are just a few quality testing examples. In fact, our quality control procedures consist of over 130 different tests done in over 200 simulated real-life environments. While we have the utmost confidence on our quality testings and procedures, we want to work with an independent organization to bring our procedures to the next level. We believe this will give our customers and fans the full assurance of our product quality. To achieve that, we have been working closely with Rheinland to work on the reliability certification. I'm happy to share that after months of working closely with them, Realme is the first smartphone brand in the world to get Rheinland quality certification. We will be using this set of quality control procedures to do quality testings across all of our Realme smartphones. That means no matter you are buying our entry-level smartphones or flagship devices, you can be sure that the quality is of top notch. I'd like to pass the time to Mr. Colin Barmer from Rheinland to share with you what he thinks about this amazing collaboration and how this partnership can benefit our customers and fans in the long run.
Hello everyone, I'm Kalyan Verma, Vice President at Rheinland, one of the German foremost technical inspection organization. Rheinland stands for safety and quality in virtually all areas of business and life. Pursuit of quality is shared by both Rheinland and Realme. After over 8 months of research and testing, we jointly created Rheinland Smartphone Reliability Certification, which serves as a leading industry standard for major markets around the world.
Hello everyone, I'm Jitson Pereira, testing expert at Rheinland, one of Germany's foremost technical inspection associations. Rheinland stands for safety and quality in virtually all areas of business and life. Founded almost 150 years ago, the company is one of the world's leading testing services providers with more than 20,000 employees worldwide. Rheinland's highly qualified experts test technical systems and products around the world, support innovations in technology and business, certify management systems according to international standards, and train people in numerous professions. In doing so, the independent experts generate trust in products as well as processes across global value-adding chains and the flow of commodities. Since 2006, Rheinland has been a member of the United Nations Global Compact to promote sustainability. Since last year, Rheinland has been working with realme to improve the quality of smartphones by designing the next generation of standards, to configure new, upgraded quality standards for smartphones. We hope to improve upon the standards currently used in the industry today and raise the quality of entry-level models to flagship standards. By promoting the adoption of high-quality and unified standards throughout the entire industry, we hope to improve the smartphone experience during the initial 3 years life cycle. After over 8 months of research and testing, we've jointly created the Rheinland Smartphone High Reliability Certification, which serves as the leading industry standards for major markets around the world. Rheinland Smartphone High Reliability Certification process encompasses 23 major tests, including 10 daily use test scenarios such as drop, wear, and tear. There are 7 extreme environment test scenarios including super extreme temperature, extreme humidity, voltage fluctuation, button life, static electricity, air pressure, and 6 component reliability test scenarios. Many of these test conditions are based on the initial 3 years life cycle for the smartphone. But data aside, I'm sure many of you are wondering how the Rheinland Smartphone High Reliability Certification is formulated. The industry has always had a set of certification standards for smartphone reliability. So why do we need to formulate a set of new ones? One of the key reasons is we believe younger generation of consumers seek a higher quality using experience. And a more important reason is that the use scenarios and definitions of reliability in these standards are completely obsolete. As phone screens and glass bodies get larger and larger, companies have found that designing a truly resistant smartphone requires a tremendous amount of money and effort. As such, defining a set of reliability standards more in line with modern use cases and conditions is an important task. This is precisely what Rheinland's Smartphone High Reliability Certification focuses on. We simulate as many scenarios as possible from the perspective of the user to comprehensively evaluate durability. For example, modern use scenarios often leave alcohol, various disinfectants, hand sanitizers, cosmetics, and food residue on the smartphones. As this has the potential to irritate surface coating or materials themselves, we conduct targeted testing and verification to check if the manufacturer's protective measures are effective. As most users need to use their phones in a variety of weather conditions throughout the day, we conduct detailed testing to verify phone durability during common situations, such as being dropped, weather ingress, extreme temperature, extreme humidity, extreme pressure, and dusty environments. Through this, we can verify device quality or core reliability within a reasonable period of time. Naturally, these testing standards and the principles behind them were also verified through in-depth research and development. We conducted a large number of simulated tests by drawing on our years of experience and a variety of available test data. We also carefully picked out a series of existing reliability standards to integrate into this new one, which has been built on the foundation of the high-quality devices produced upstream or at the factory level today. For us, this is the first set of standards that truly integrates the user, R&D, and production layers in an organic manner. We hope that with the continued development and expansions of these standards, we can provide users with an improved understanding of what true quality feels like. To sum up, the TV Rheinland smartphone high reliability certification process encompasses 23 major tests, the principles based on both modern use scenarios for youth and in-depth research and development. Through this detailed and targeted tests, TV Rheinland and realme hope to promote the development of superior products capable of delivering the highest quality, especially in the initial 3 years life cycle.
Thank you, Mr. Dixon Pereira. Now that you know how realme product quality are being objectively tested through a thorough procedures, I'm happy to share that the upcoming Realme C21 and the Realme C25 will be the first batch of smartphones in the world to be certified by TÜV Rheinland Smartphone High Reliability Certification. Next, I would like to talk about factory. Smart factory to be specific. Consistency is one of the key attributes to making high quality products. This is why we have been investing heavily in smart factories that aims to be fully automated in the near future. That way, we are able to reduce human errors and improve efficiency and precision of complex manufacturing process. One such automation example is the SMT production line, where it is responsible for putting components onto the PCB motherboard. The current automation rate in our smart factory is 87.5%, which is already way above the industry standards. Thanks to the AI automation capability, the current Realme AI Smart Factory is able to produce 60 million devices every year. I'm sure by now you must be very curious to see how our factory manufactures Realme smartphones. Well, we have made a video to show you just that, and I would like to play it for you right now.
Smartphones are found in every facet of a young, active lifestyle, recording experiences as young people embark on new adventures. But what kind of smartphone is built for young tech lovers? Well, realme has the answer. What kind of phone do young people really want? Our product managers are obsessed with answering this question. Before defining a product, they monitor social media trends and do market research. They analyze feedback from tens of thousands of young smartphone users around the world. Then they define the product based on what they know are the customer's needs, choosing from more than 20 types and 300 components to complete their initial screening. These initial results are then imported into the computer-aided engineering for further refinement. Our research and development staff sets parameters based on the lifestyle of young people and uses computer-aided engineering to simulate real-life usage scenarios for smartphones so they can foresee potential issues and prevent them. That's right. Quality testing begins even before the phone hits the production line. Young people want to make bold statement with their smartphones. This can pose a challenge to quality. And when prototyping the C-Series, realme's ID designer started with a bank of 40 types of materials and selected the ones that would be flame resistant, fingerprint resistant, and durable. They chose the most cutting-edge crafting techniques for maximum visual appeal, giving the product an external polish and glow that's nothing short of mesmerizing. By building on a foundation of quality and durability, they realized a product that would satisfy young people's need for boldness and impact. From initial conceptualization to the final design, their proposals go through at least 3 rounds of review and dozens of tests. Each realme series has its own style, so we end up using a dizzying array of manufacturing processes and materials. But all of these processes and designs are unified by one set of rigorous quality standards. In order to meet intense demand for more functionality, and with only 2,000 square millimeters to work with inside the phone casing, realme's developers push their ability to pack components into limited space to the extreme. Furthermore, the wildly popular flash charge and large capacity battery combo takes up more than 50% of the available in-body real estate. That means all remaining components must be as small as possible, and space utilization must be optimized to the extreme. At the same time, quality cannot be compromised. Realme created a rigorous sequestering and monitoring systems, building several layers of protection to ensure safe charging. Each and every component undergoes water resistance and dust resistant processes to suit the habits of young users, who tend to use their phones much more frequently and for extended durations. After development is complete, production takes place at the Realme Super Factory located 30 kilometers away. This is the first factory site's raw material warehouse, which covers an area of 5,000 square meters. Here are over 692 parts and components used in dozens of smartphones are stored. Automated equipment is used to distribute and transport these materials to a number of production workshops. Due to our global warranty, Realme keeps a minimum of 3 years inventory worth of parts and components at this site. This helps our customers use the same phones for a longer period of time and saves them the cost of replacing a new one. This pioneering manufacturing plant is producing high-quality smartphones for your young customers around the world. In the fully automated SMT workshop, it only takes 40 minutes to assemble a motherboard with more than 700 components and parts, but you can hardly see any staff in this workshop. Real-time monitoring of 146 processes takes place alongside high-efficiency manufacturing to ensure the motherboard functions normally. The completed motherboard is sent to the assembly workshop to be united with hundreds of other smartphone components. Assembly is also the most complex step of the manufacturing process. Each tiny movement has been broken down into a series of standardized steps to ensure that the assembly is uniform and accurate. As before, there are a number of quality checkpoints throughout these processes. Before a phone comes off the production line and is placed in the box, it undergoes 18 tests, which cover the screen, camera, and communications components. The young are always taking on new challenges, trying new things, and pushing themselves to new heights. The phones they take on their adventures must also be able to withstand the most intense usage scenarios. Accidents might only happen less than 1% of the time, but our engineers are 100% fully prepared. From everyday friction, impact, and splashing to the extreme sports that young people love. When you travel to the most extreme places on Earth, your realme phone will be able to go with you anywhere. Because it has been tested in every extreme condition for hundreds or even thousands of times. Of course, the accessories that come with your phone get the same treatment. From cords to cases to outer packaging, everything is tested. That's the only way to achieve comprehensive quality assurance. Quality testing must go beyond conventional mishaps. In addition to meeting all industry benchmarks, Realme's C-Series smartphones are the first smartphones to obtain Germany's TÜV Rheinland High Reliability certification. The certification sets a benchmark for 3 years of regular use and lays out a series of rigorous quality standards. Customers around the world can be assured when they use TÜV Rheinland certified Realme smartphones. Realme's best trend-setting smartphone yet. Built for quality, built for young people, built for the young tech lover.
Isn't that cool? Well, we're not stopping there. In fact, we have gave ourselves a goal earlier this year that the entire Realme AI Smart Factory will be 95% automated by robots in 5 years. So that's it for Realme AI Smart Factory. To summarize, we have shared with you 3 exciting news today. First, it was the collaboration between Realme and TÜV Rheinland in creating this smartphone high reliability certification. Moving forward, all of Realme smartphones will be using similar quality control framework as the foundation for consistent top-notch hardware quality. Last and not least, both Realme C21 and Realme C25 will be the first batch of smartphones to get certified by TÜV Rheinland High Reliability certification. Both of these smartphones will be coming soon globally, including India, Russia, and so on. So stay tuned on our social media for the exact release date. That's it from me, and once again, my name is JJ. Thank you all for watching. Hope to see you guys on the next one.